Ever wondered how to connect your recreational vehicle or RV to your home's electrical system? It's a common question, and today, we're going to break it down into clear, easy-to-follow steps. First, it's important to understand that your home's electrical system and your RV's electrical system may not operate on the same voltage or amperage. This could pose a problem if you simply plug your RV into a standard home electrical outlet, as it might not provide enough power for your RV's needs, or worse, it could cause an overload. To avoid this, the best course of action is to install a dedicated RV receptacle in your home. This could be a 30 or 50 amp receptacle, depending on what your RV requires. Remember, it's always best to consult with a professional electrician to make sure this is done safely and correctly. Before we dive into the process of connecting your RV to your home's electrical system, it's crucial to gather all the necessary equipment. First, depending on the amp requirements of your RV, you'll need an appropriate adapter. For RVs that run on 30 amp power, you'll need a 30 amp to 15 amp adapter. Conversely, if your RV operates on 50 amp power, a 50 amp to 15 amp adapter will be necessary. These adapters are essential for bridging the gap between your home's electrical system and your RV's power needs, ensuring a safe and functional connection. Lastly, you'll need to have your RV's electrical cord and adapter if needed on hand. This is the cord that connects your RV to the power source, be it your home's electrical system or a dedicated RV receptacle. Remember, the correct equipment is not just about convenience, it's about safety. Using the wrong adapter or plug could result in damage to your RV's electrical system, or worse, a fire. That's why it's always important to check and double-check that you're using the right equipment for your specific RV model. Once your RV is successfully and safely connected to your home's electrical system, there's another key factor to consider: appliance usage. It's crucial to remember that not all appliances can be run simultaneously when your RV is plugged in at home. High-power appliances such as air conditioners, microwaves, and electric heaters can potentially overload your home's electrical system if they are running concurrently. Therefore, it's advisable to operate one high-power appliance at a time. Regularly monitor your RV's power needs and your home's electrical capacity to prevent overloading and ensure the system is running smoothly. Always put safety first. By managing your appliance usage responsibly, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable RV experience right from your home. In conclusion, connecting an RV to a home electrical system requires a bit of knowledge about your RV's power needs, your home's electrical capacity, and the right equipment. It's essential to keep in mind that consulting with a professional electrician for safety and proper installation is always recommended. Additionally, manage your appliance usage responsibly to avoid overloading your home's electrical system. Let's go over the important details. With these points in mind, powering your RV at home can be a simple and worry-free process. You can enjoy the comfort of your RV without the anxiety of overloading your home's electrical system. Let's not forget, safety first. Thank you for watching this Everything About RVing video on how to plug your RV into a home electrical system. Make sure to subscribe to the Everything About RVing YouTube channel. By clicking the logo, you will be able to view more awesome content. Did you like this video? Give it a thumbs up and share it. Looking for more tips, tricks, and RV tales? Click on the video suggestions on the screen. Safe travels and see you on the open road.